So this is 006 point targeted swipe up ads. I'm gonna go for conversions. Go 001. Save draft. I want to start by uploading the ads. Video, select video, upload. Let's see if I can upload multiple. Awesome, the video is uploading. Alright, so I'm gonna stick with this link. I'm really happy with it. And then as you saw before, I went ahead and uploaded all the remaining 3 ads. But while we're waiting for it to upload, the link is just e-commerce legacy. Let's open it up to get the link. Perfect, this is a link and it looks simple and beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, there's 4. Edit. Even if they have different videos, we could put in all the same link. Make them all learn more. Perfect. That's it when it comes to the ad. It's as simple as that. Next, we're going to do the ad sets. So let's first start with this. We want 1-day click or view. We want to go for conversions, edit placements, of course. We only want Instagram stories. And I'm thinking, should we do Facebook stories? Yeah, let's do Facebook stories just because, you know, I want to see how Facebook story works. Imagine it works really, really well. Like, who knows? Now, I definitely want to put in form completion. So this is the Andy My Mentorship application. While I'm waiting for that, daily budget, I want to start it as low as $1. Location, I want to do top 5 countries to start with. I'm going to create a list, so it'll save me time in the future. But let's create that list of top 5. So it looks like I put it in under complete registration. And I do remember doing that as well. But let's quickly put in the countries, make top 5. Australia, New Zealand, United States, Canada, United Kingdom. Match locations. Awesome. Add 7 locations. Top 5 countries. Save list. Awesome. Now let's go pick the complete registration pixel. That's what we're looking for. You don't want to sort of target view content or anything, because you want to go straight for the people who actually fill out the form. Like, I want to tell Facebook those are the type of people I'm looking for. And now, yeah, that's about it. Now we're finished. So now let's start doing the individual targeting. So for example, the hype beast. So this is dash hype beast. I want to go as broad as hype beast. Let's see if something pops up. Awesome, the actual hype beast pops up. Let's put in, say, Supreme. Now let's get suggestions. Bathing Ape. Comesta Graskon. We'll keep it simple for now. Let's do this Palace. I don't know if this is Palace clothing though, so I don't want to risk it, so no need for now. Now what I want to do is I want to narrow it with like Gary Vaynerchuk. Wow, it's still 11 million. That's pretty crazy. So maybe I want to like narrow it further. They have to be like true entrepreneurs. So let's put on Tony Robbins. So they have to both be a hype beast and Gary Vee and Tony Robbins. That brings it to 7.8 mil. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's go hypebeast x Gary Vee x Tony Robbins. Yeah, so that's the first one. Next is swimming. Swimming. Let's see how many people are in swimming. 16 million. Narrow it down to people who know Gary Vaynerchuk. 5.5, so this is perfect. We'll keep it like that. Swimming X Gary V. Next, League of Legends. I like this one. This is the ad where they had the pop-ups. So I have high expectations for this. League of... So this is a big interest. So I'm like more hardcore League of Legends fans. So let's go Twitch. If you like League of Legends, then you like what, Overwatch maybe? Let's go Overwatch. No, League of Legends, that's pretty small, 8.1. I don't want to narrow it too further. Gary V. Gary Vayner. Because if you're a gamer, let's try to think. What entrepreneur would really get you going and wanting you to sort of start making money? I think Gary Vaynerchuk is the one that emphasizes streaming. Yeah, I think Gary Vaynerchuk, like, he's all about gaming, and like the people that his fans, a lot of them play games. So I think this is a good mix. League of Legends X Gary V. Next is Naruto. This is also a one that I'm really excited to try out. Put in Naruto. No audience. So the next one, like before I even got into like Gary Vaynerchuk, I actually knew of like 4-hour work week. Let's see if this works. Nope, that's way too small. I don't want to bring it to there. But who else personally did I find out about? Tai Lopez I found about pretty early. But his one's a bit small. But let's see how this works. Naruto, let's give it a try because everything has Gary Vaynerchuk and I'm a bit worried that's a bit too niche. So Naruto. So this is how I'm diversifying and split testing. X Tai Lopez. Awesome. Now I just have to wait for all the ads to publish. And yeah, that's it. That's how I went ahead and set up targeted ads. The reason why I love doing targeted ads because you're really speaking to the viewers and you have a much higher conversion rate, but you're going to get much higher CPM because you're sort of flexing it many times. So Facebook is going to charge you a bit more expensive, but your conversion rate and conversion cost is going to be insanely cheaper. So that's the process. Hope you guys learned something. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.